Chapter on what is said regarding the sweat of a junub, and a Muslim never becomes impure. Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, came across me in one of the streets of Al-Madinah, and at that time I was junub. So I slipped away from him and went to take a bath. On my return, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "O Abu Huraira, where have you been?" I replied, "I was junub, so I disliked to sit in your company while I was in a state of impurity." The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Subhanallah, a believer who believes in Islamic monotheism never becomes najas, impure." See Quran, chapter 9, verse 28. Footnote: Najas, that is, impure. It is either A, physical, as regards urine, stools, and blood, etc. B, spiritual, as regards not having belief in the oneness of Allah and His Messenger Muhammad, peace be upon him. For example, al-mushrikun, polytheists, pagans, idolaters, and disbelievers in the oneness of Allah and in His Messenger Muhammad, peace be upon him. And the word najas is used only for those persons who have spiritual impurity. For example, al-mushrikun, etc. Chapter on a junub person can go out and walk in the market or anywhere else. Ata said, "A junub person is allowed to let his blood out medically, to clip his nails, and also to get his head shaved, even without ablution." Narrated Anas bin Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to visit all his wives in one night, and he had 9 wives at that time. Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, came across me and I was junub. He took my hand and I went along with him till he sat down. I slipped away, went home, and took a bath. When I came back, he was still sitting there. He then said to me, "O Abu Huraira, where have you been?" I told him about it. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Subhanallah, O Abu Huraira, a believer who believes in Islamic monotheism never becomes najas, impure."